The first would be to consider approving a contract between Mesa County Transportation and Whitewater Building for chips and chat aggregate material in the amount not to exceed $134,000 and authorize the chair to sign. Brian Herbrick, Road and Bridge Director, presenting. Good morning.
Correction on the presenter. I'm Travis Cole, the Deputy Road Supervisor. Brian wasn't able to make it this morning, so I'll step in for him. We're asking for approval for the chips and the chat. We use the chat for winter maintenance. We mix it with the salt, and we apply that to the roads to help mitigate the winter processes. We try to have that approval on hand so we can be prepared ahead of time. We'll start mixing that later on this summer, so we're prepared for the winter time. The chips would be for the chip seal. We're doing our chip seal process in-house, some of it, and that's going to be out in the Fruita area, and we'll have some up on DS Road. And then next year we'll probably be up on Glade Park also with some of that chip seal. So if there's any other questions that you guys have, I would be happy to try to answer them for you.
Commissioner, do you have any other questions or comments on this item?
Thanks for preparing ahead of time. I think that this will be, hopefully we'll have a really good winter.
We're hoping so.
We're all praying for it.
Yeah.
I don't have any further questions or comments.
I don't have any questions or comments on this item. Does anyone in the audience have any questions or comments on this item? Okay, seeing none, I will entertain a motion to approve the item as published.
So moved.
Second, all in favor?
Aye.
Aye, motion carries 2-0.